This is the Cape Fear Parrot Sanctuary Glossary, Volume H through P. H is for habitat. A habitat is a natural environment for a living thing, whether it be plants or animals. Here at Cape Fear Parrot Sanctuary, we have created a natural home on 5 acres of property with 44 aviaries. We aim to have as natural of an environment as possible for the wonderful birds who live here. I is for idyllic. Something that is idyllic is pleasing or picturesque in a natural simplicity. Here at Cape Fear Parrot Sanctuary, we don't have much that's complicated. Our habitat is idyllic. It's natural, it's simple, and it's very pleasing to our residents. J is for jubilant. To be jubilant is to express great happiness or to express extreme joy. Goes without saying, the residents here at Cape Fear Parrot Sanctuary are very joyful. K is for kinetic. Kinetic is relating to movement. So motion of objects, motion of animals, that's what we mean by kinetic. A force of energy associated with movement is considered kinetic energy. Here at Cape Fear Parrot Sanctuary, we create aviaries that facilitate movement so our residents can fly free. We have a lot of kinetic energy here, and it's great for their health. They need to stay active and they need to move. L is for legume. Legume is a type of plant that is a pod. Green beans are legumes, and green beans are very healthy for parrots. Parrots need a lot of fiber, they need a lot of protein, and they need foods that are low in fat. Even though this parrot was eating a walnut, which is not a legume, we just thought we'd mention how much our Cape Fear Parrot Sanctuary residents love legumes. They love their green beans. M is for mimic. Parrots vocalize by mimicry. They mimic sounds that they hear. When birds are in the wild, they will mimic the sounds of other birds. When they're with their human companions, they'll mimic words that they hear repeatedly. This is Truman, and he's an opera singer. He actually mimics opera songs.
Hello, can you sing for me today?
N is for nape. Nape is the back of the neck. And here at Cape Fear Parrot Sanctuary, we have yellow-naped Amazons. The back of their necks have beautiful yellow feathers. O is for omnivore. To be omnivorous is to eat both meat and vegetables. Most parrots eat a diet rich in nuts, seeds, vegetables, but they also need protein. So in the wild, a parrot would eat bugs, which is meat. So it is okay for parrots to eat meat, just in moderation. Some parrot owners and some sanctuaries will feed their parrots chicken. And that's perfectly fine, just as long as the birds don't overindulge. You certainly wouldn't want to take your parrot out for a steak dinner. P is for pairing. Parrots pair together. They will find a really good friend or a mate within their flock. Sometimes parrots will even form small groups. Here at Cape Fear Parrot Sanctuary, pairing is very common. We find that lots of parrots find a partner that they like, and you'll see them hanging out together on a regular basis. And oftentimes within a larger community of a flock within one of our aviaries, we will see small groups or actual partnerships form. It's more important for a parrot to pair with another parrot. They need that naturally, more so than they need to pair with a human. Parrots really need to bond with other parrots. The need for a non-human mate is very strong with parrots. Well, this concludes our glossary H through P. We hope you enjoyed this, and we hope that you'll return when we do glossary volume Q through Z. Please subscribe, like the videos, and share with your friends. Thanks!